Hi guys, my name's Zola. If you want to subscribe, just press Zola Emily. So today we're gonna do slime school challenge. Okay, so first,
They didn't hear that.
yeah, slime school challenge. And first, we're gonna see the teacher comes, and my mom's gonna teach me. So let's start. She's here. She's just being quiet. Shh, make her not see.
You gotta talk.
So I'm just opening the slimes. I want my mom to see me.
Look at that.
Slime.
What's in your nails?
Nail
Show them
polish.
your nail polish.
It's just nail polish
Where did you get that nail polish?
in the salon, and
In the what?
this is so sticky. This slime.
Salon.
This is like so fluffy. I left it like I made it at home, but now I'm in school. So let's try the other slime. If it's so fluffy to make a bubble. Yeah, it's nice. Let's take it out. It's not. Nothing's going on. My pants are so held up. I'm just pretending. Okay, be quiet. The teacher is there. Okay, this is so sticky. I can't believe it. So now we're gonna try and knead it.
Try what?
Knead it.
What do you mean
It
need
is
it?
so fluffy. See, look at that. Look at it.
Look at the nail polish. Purple ones.
But that's
So-
not part of the video.
Oh, you're showing it.
I'm not.
And it matches with your slime. It looks purplish.
Okay, so now I always do this. Now let's try and make a bubble. If the bubble doesn't work, oh my goodness, Mamma Mia. Oh, this worked a little bit. Oh, that's so puppy. My teacher might have heard that. Okay. Oh, this is so stretchy. First, let's do it again.
Alright, you gotta end your
Wait.
blog.
Wait, Papa,
You gotta end it.
no, because
It's gonna end because there's a limit for the video.
Can you just do it again? Because Papa, don't talk in my vlog.